off some geometry on this block. We'll put in some cuts on the top. So just put some extra sketch lines in. While we're doing this, just something else to point out with ST7, you will see there's much improved sketch feedback, user feedback, as you're snapping the ends of lines onto edges, or any type of cursor feedback for any types of sketch relationships. So you'll see that going on. It just makes it clearer to be able to use when you're sketching. So we'll finish these lines off, we'll put the top line in as well. I think I introduced the on-screen sketch dimensions when we created that quick shape, but you'll see this across all sketches. So here we've got the length of the line that we could type in, or we've got the angle of the line in. So it's all heads-up user interface, really the focus on speeding up your design, accelerating your design. So we've got this region that we can do a little synchronous cut in, drop this down just a millimetre. And now we are ready to create this sheet metal component. So I think you'll like this method of creating sheet metal parts. It gives you just another route, maybe slightly quicker well, actually a lot quicker for something like this component. So it's on the tools menu. We can choose this part to sheet metal command. To start off with, we've got this window to set up the global options of the sheet metal. So what's your global corner treatment, what's the global gap, all that kind of initial setup, we okay that. And then to start creating this sheet metal part, it's as easy as just clicking the edges. It's going to fold the sheet metal around that solid block. We can specify the thickness. We can switch which way around we want the thickness to be. So obviously we've modelled to the outer extent. We don't want to add sheet metal on top of that. We want it to be inside. So really we're folding sheet metal inside the solid block. Solid edge is automatically ripping those edges that need to be ripped for us. This is all blue in preview. We can tweak any of the corner treatments if we want to override those global settings. We've got 8 to choose from. And once we're happy with all of that, we can accept that and we've got our sheet metal component created. So yeah, nice and fast in ST7, really like that.